superchargers out there. Or turbo K, I don't know. We could probably fit something in here. 88,000 miles. Almost 89,000. Alright guys, so as you can see, we already removed the bumper from the car. We are going to see what's going on down here with this leak. And as you guys can see, this radiator is not really good. As you can see, everything is like coming apart. I know this is the front part. The radiator is in the back where the coolant is at, but this shield up here, whatever this is not good. Look at this. All the little things is broken. You see? And down here too. See, I can take them off. That's not very good. And then the leak is coming from somewhere back here, from this side. But I don't know exactly what's going on. So we're just gonna replace this whole thing, get a new one on there, and hopefully we can get this car back on the road. Let me just wait till I get the other radiator. Once I get that one, I'm about to put the order in right now. I just wanted to see what was going on with this one before I did anything. So we're gonna be changing that. I'm gonna order it. Once it comes in, then we'll remove this one and get the new one in. So I'll catch you guys when we get the other one. So I just recorded a clip of like 2 minutes. That's what happens. And I even said it in that clip that I was recording, that I didn't even test out the audio with my little new setup that I have, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. I don't know if you can see, I got the little mic right there on top. I got a new tripod where you guys are seeing me right now. But I connected something I've never done, because I had this microphone for a while. I use it sometimes. I connected the little black thing that monitors the mics. I connected the mic straight. You know, it was a little cable straight from the mic to the little monitor thing. And that shit was like beep when I went to listen to the clip. All right, so it is what it is. Like I was saying, I went to Honda. We got the coolant. We got the old coolant out. This is a mess. Look how dark it is. That's black. So to remove this one, we gotta remove this one, this one, this one, this one. There's another one back there behind it. We gotta remove these two. We gotta remove this one, you know, the same thing on both sides. Remove all that way we can get this whole thing out. We gotta remove this clamp, the clamp in the bottom, down somewhere in the hose back here. And the AC denser, whatever this is, I was gonna buy it, but your boy is broke. Your boy don't got money. So make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button so we can get somewhere in life and I can keep doing YouTube for you guys. I don't really do it for the money, but you know, I do it because I like it. This is what I do. This is my lifestyle, always working on cars, building cars and doing stuff. So, but you know, it will help. So I get at least $10. $10 goes a long way. That AC denser is like $70, $80. So the radiator was like $103 with a discount. So, and no, they're not OEM from Honda. These are from 1A Auto. The brand called TRQ. That's the only brand I use from them. The best one. Never had an issue with any of the stuff. So, all right. So enough of talking. Let's get straight to work. The best part is that I have this lift. I don't have a shop lift, but I got this. And I can do anything I need to do with this. Press that little key right there, turn it. And we can get to do anything in here. This thing is bright. This is what we're gonna use. I'm gonna set it up right here on this metal. Got a little magnet. Get to work. get my gloves on. Just, you know, I don't want to dirty my hands. When it comes to getting into parts like this is where we always get our hands all caught up and stuff like that, bro. Like, it's gonna break loose and I'm gonna smash my fingers, bro. Oh, shit's stripping, bro. Oh, man. I'm gonna have to get a stick so I can hold the hood and remove this thing from here. That way I can have more room, because I can't even get this in there. I don't want it to fall on me. Nope. Man, there's always something, man. This way, I can grab it. This little wiener. Put that thing in there. Hot to it. And go straight to town. Man, oh man, always that boat, bro. Always that one boat. Always, bro. I'll do it by hand. Oh yeah, it's loose. Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. Go for it, daddy. So now what we are going to do is we have to bring this sensor to this one, put it over there. You gotta remove this little nipple thing. Let me see if I can get it out. Yeah, we gotta remove that. Then there should be, oh, we gotta remove these little grommets. Put it on this one. The other one fell over there, so. Then there's 4 bolts holding on the fans. Remember, this one goes on the right side, then this one goes on this side. This one is plastic, this one is metal. Why they go like that, I don't know, but that's the way they go. You gotta remove these 2 bolts. Little pushing things up here. And then it should be good to install it. So we already got the new one ready to go. I already swapped the sensor. This little one right here, the little adapter for the hose. I tightened that. I put the 2 fans on. Got the little grommets in the bottom, right there. These 2 little boots. This one, that one. When you're putting them on, make sure they don't fall off, as they are pretty loose in there, as you can see. They'll fall out. Are there any FR18s 1.8 superchargers out there? Or turbo K, I don't know. We could probably fit something in here. 88,000 miles. Almost every night. Shit, the bucket. I forgot about the bucket. So now that we got everything on, I don't have one of these things to put here. I'm gonna have to figure it out with this one. Because I also have to hold it. And if I can get this thing off. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this. So after I struggled putting the coolant in, look at what I got. I just remembered I had this. I had this when I had my Subaru. It's crazy. This was the best investment I've ever made in my life. This go back to when I had my WRX. When I used to do the coolant, I had this thing. It comes with all this right here, with a lot of extensions and stuff that you can fit into any car, whatever. Then when it's filled out, you can just plug it up with this and pull the whole thing out, and it doesn't leak. So now we're just gonna rev the car a little bit, get all the air out the system, fill out that one over there, the little one on the side, and then we should be good. But make sure the fans turn on, make sure everything works fine how it's supposed to. Car's been running for like 5 minutes already. Let's see what the temps is looking like. Three dots. Let's see when it gets hotter. I'll let you guys know if it turns on, if the fans turn on. So that's gonna be it for today's video. The Civic is Gucci. The fans turned on. It did not overheat. I left it running for like 30 minutes. And everything's Gucci. So now I just gotta clean up this mess. Put the bumper back on the car, put the radiator cover back on. And I might take it out tonight. Because this weekend, we're gonna be taking it out on a 4-hour drive. So I'm taking the Civic. I haven't driven this car in like 2 months, 3 months. So I wanna drive it, I miss it. And enjoy it a little bit more. And I'm thinking of manual swapping it. What you guys think? Should I manual swap it? I don't know. Oh, it's not worth it. Just get a SI, bro. Just get a SI, bro. I'll get a SI. Fine. I won't. But the thing is that SIs, bro, right now they're overpriced, and I don't want a car with over 150,000 miles. You find a SI right now with over 200,000, for like 6K, 5K. Like, I mean, I know nothing's cheap nowadays, but still, like, I saw one for like $8,000 with over 200,000 miles. Like, bro, like, chill. So, but if I find one in mint condition, I'll take it. If not, I'll just K swap this one, get a shell, not a shell, SI, about SI that whatever has been in an accident or whatever, and I'll just take the whole swap and put it into the Civic, and that's it. If not, we'll just manual swap this one, 5-speed, whatever, and rock it like that. Because I'm thinking of adding another car to the channel, but I'm broke. That's what I'm telling you. Subscribe, like it, so yeah, boy can move up, so we can get a next build. And that one is gonna be crazy. That one I want a manual for sure. If it's not manual, I'm not buying it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.